What is organizational behavior? Organizational behavior is the study of what people think, feel, and do in organizations. Researchers and practitioners are often concerned with improving organizational effectiveness. They do this by addressing topics like communication, motivation, and change management. Organizational behavior can be defined in terms of three levels of analysis: individual, group, and organizational levels. When we talk about individual outcomes, we're talking about things like job performance and job attitudes. Group-level outcomes include things like less conflict and more effective communication. When we talk about organizational outcomes, we're talking about things like profitability, costs, and attractiveness. In many ways, the field of OB can help us perform better, both as individual employees and as organizations. For our purposes, organizational behavior can help us learn how to be better managers. Management is essentially the ability to get things done through others. Managers are responsible for recruiting and selecting the most talented employees, creating a work environment that keeps the best employees, and developing employees into great leaders. All of these responsibilities are studied extensively in OB. Of course, managers are responsible for other systems too, like marketing, accounting, and operations. But this course will focus on managing work behavior and developing people skills.